Hello friends, welcome to my 90 solution YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to get emoji keyboard on your computer or laptop. If you are a new visitor on my YouTube channel, you can press the subscribe button and join with our channel. You can watch like these tips and tricks on my channel. Okay, now let's learn how to get this feature. Simply you can press your keyboard Windows key plus dot icon. You can press Windows key, hold on this Windows key and press dot icon. After you can open emojis on your computer or laptop. Now I will show you again. Now I am going to close this. You want to press Windows key plus dot. You can see my screen. This is our emoji keyboard. Now you can, if you want to type the emoji in here, press Windows key plus dot. After you can open this keyboard, emoji keyboard. Now you can select emojis in here like this. All emojis have one, you can select as you like. In this method you can use emojis on your keyboard. You can see this is very easy method to type emojis using your laptop or computer. I think this feature is very helpful to you. This is very simple thing. If you like this video, you can press the like button and subscribe our channel. Let's meet on our next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.